Introducing a crate part 2. It's a long but rewarding process introducing a crate the right way and doing it slowly at the dog's pace and making it a rewarding experience.
Good boy. Good boy, Diesel.
Some breeders crate train puppies before they go to their new homes. This helps new owners massively. However, crate training should still be done, as for the puppy it's an entirely new environment and quite scary.
Very good. Good boy.
For a puppy, more patience is needed as puppies don't have previous cues in their learning history, which is why I'm deliberately not using cues at the moment. Instead, puppies do recognize tone of voice and praise. This method of introducing a crate should also be done for adult dogs, rehome dogs, and rescue dogs.
Good boy, Zum Zum.
For a rescue or rehome dog, it is impossible to know if the crate has been used as a punishment tool in their past, which is why they should also be trained as though they are not crate trained. To avoid fear, separation anxiety, defecation, and an aversive experience with another crate.
Good boy, Zum Zum. Good boy. Oh dear. Good boy.
This way the dog is set up to succeed from the start. All dogs learn at a different pace, and some dogs take to the crate faster than others. For some dogs the crate is just not comfortable for them.
Good boy. Very good. Good boy, Zum.